Do you want to get paid to read? You might actually laugh it off at first, thinking that it sounds too good to be true, but it's not. What if I tell you that you can actually earn money by reading books? There are different ways to get paid for reading books, but in this video, I will focus on getting paid to read books and leave a review. So if you love to read and write, so why not combine these two passions to get paid? In this video, I'm going to be listing out the top 10 websites in no particular order where you can earn money as a reader by writing book reviews. One thing I want you to put in mind is that this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Neither will it earn you crazy dollars, but it's going to make you more productive and intellectually strong because you're going to be reading books of your interest from different authors and getting paid for it. Let's dive straight into it. Welcome to my channel once again. My name is Mary Olusegun, and on this channel I teach smartphone productivities and online tools and tutorials. And if you love my content, don't hesitate to click the subscription button right there and turn on notifications so you won't miss out when I drop a new update. Now let's dive straight into what brought us here today. The first website I have on my list here is thebooklist.com. Booklist reviews over 7,500 books every year, and their audience are librarians, booksellers, educators. Their main aim is to attract librarians by suggesting the best books so they can purchase it as soon as it becomes available in the market. They pay $15 per book review. They focus on genres just like adult books, books for youth, graphic novel, and so on. All you have to do is to write a short review of 150 to 175 words for them. But before applying, make sure you go to their website and check out their requirements. It's as simple as that. The next website I have on my list here is the onlinebookclub.org. This is a transparent website. It is not a one-way lucky stream of income, but it has its fair price disclosed. For the first review of the book, you are going to get the book for free and you are not going to get paid for it. But from the second review, that is when you are going to start to get paid for your book review. And as well, you will still get the book for free. All they want is your honest opinion on the book. As they say, they don't pay their reviewers for fair review or positive review. They pay for a smart review. And their payment is between $5 to $60. To begin the sign-up process, just submit your email on their website onlinebookclub.org/freebooksforreviews.php. The third website on my list is bookbrowse.com. There is variety of titles of books on bookbrowse for adults and teens, including fiction and non-fiction, and even children books. This website covers a wide range of literature that is interesting to read with great storylines and characters, as well as books that will leave you knowing something new about the world you never knew before. If you're interested in becoming a reviewer with Bookbrowse, you will have to submit a quality sample reviews and they must be at least 300 words. At least 300 words. Bookbrowse reviews adult fictions, non-fictions, and books for young adults. For more information, you can check out their website www.bookbrowse.com. At the end of this video or somewhere in between the video, I'm going to be telling you the top 3 websites, the top 3. Don't skip any part of this video. The next on my list here is the newpages.com. It contains literary magazines and independent publisher that needs short reviews. This is where you come in. This internet portal wants people to write a standard review between 100 and 200 words long on all the books and literary magazine you read. They want to work with people who love to read small prose and uncommon magazines. Take a minute to look through their archive of past books to see if this style of writing is what you are looking for. Check it out on their website www.newpages.com. Next on my list is the usreview.com. Their price is not listed, but they pay their reviewers on the 5th of every month. All you have to do is send your resume, sample work, and at least 2 professional preferences to the following email in their website. After your application gets accepted, you can write paid reviews based on the request of books you need to review. You have to write at least 200 to 300 words reviews and need to submit them in between 2 to 3 weeks. They have their deadlines. In that, you can add quotes from the book, description from the author, and the gist of the book. For more information, visit their website to check through www.theusreview.com/usreviewer.html. Next year, I'm going to be talking about women reviews of book, www.wcwonline.org. This website is a deeply respected publication. It is the longest running republication since 1983, which is part of the Wesley Centers of Women. They pay $100 for each book reviews. They seek reviewers of different genres like fiction, visual book, poetry, and biographies. Before becoming a reviewer for them, understand that its writers are great journalists, academics, and experienced reviewers. So before you pitch, make sure you are highly qualified for you to get accepted. Visit their website for more info about them. Next year, we're going to be talking about the netgalley.com. NetGalley may be able to help you achieve your dream of making it as an influential member of the book reviewing community. It simply serves as a platform for connecting publisher of books to book reviewer. There are many people who can sign up for NetGalley to read books before they have been published, such as bloggers, booksellers, educators, and so on. It is pretty easy to understand how it functions. NetGalleys offer its members the opportunity to request and read reviews. There are lots of benefits to both publisher and reviews in this arrangement. The publisher gains access to enthusiastic readers who are willing to provide honest review of their book, and the reviewer gains access to extensive collection of books. What's better is that NetGalley membership is available for absolutely no charge. You can sign up on their website for free because they are a publishing company that needs people to read book online. Whether you're a librarian, bookseller, educator, reviewer, or blogger, you can get started with them and start earning immediately. Next year we have Upwork. You probably know about Upwork if you're a freelancer, the world's largest marketplace for freelancers. Upwork has fingers in every industry. Those seeking for freelance book reviewers are regularly posting listings in its marketplace, so it shouldn't come as a surprise. In every job, the qualification and requirements will differ depending on the client you are working for. You might be working with the client on a one-time project, or perhaps it could turn into a long-term partnership. If you have a look at the listing of the book, it should specify its genre, so you are aware of what you will get prior to the agreement to collaborate with the client or not. Ninth website we'll be talking about is the kaikosreviews.com. This is an American magazine that reviews more than 10,000 books every year. They're in search of English and Spanish reviewers. They accept reviews of any book length for all types of genres. All you have to do is to write a 350-word article within 2 weeks after they assign a book to you. Note, 2 weeks, 14 days after they assign a book to you. How to apply: mail your resume to sample of the reviews you've done in past to drop@kaikos.com. For more information, you can check out their website www.kaikosreviews.com to know more about them. And the last but not the least website we'll be talking about in this video is the readseediscovery.com. This is a powerhouse in the world of indie books. Readseed Discovery gives reviewers the chance to read the latest self-published books before anyone else. You can browse through hundreds of news stories before picking anyone that interests you. And if you built up a brand as a reviewer on Readseed Discovery, you can liaise with authors who can contact you directly for a review and you get paid for it. Each of all these websites varies, but you are typically paid cash via PayPal or bank transfer. This website is also a way for you to focus on your self-growth as a reader or a writer. Alright, this video is just a little gist to guide you, but make sure you do your own research before pitching. Somewhere in this video I told you I will mention the top list of the websites I think you should try out. The first I think you should try out is the kaikos.com. It is the best for beginners, while the book browse is best for earning, and the readseediscover.com is best overall. Check out these 3 websites. If you believe this video could be of help to somebody else, don't hesitate to use the share button below or mention them in the comment section of this video. Once again, my name is Mary Olusegun, and on this channel I share videos that will help you use your smartphone productively and online tools and tutorials. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next.